So today is the 25th January 2026, and tomorrow is the Republic Day. Happy Republic Day. So what about receiving? What do you want to know about receiving? Whoever wrote the topic. What is receiving to you? Can anybody please here tell me what is receiving to you? Or are you really good at receiving, or it has been a struggle, or it was not in your world, or is it a problem receiving? What is that?
I have a problem in receiving.
Mhm. And now that you know that you can receive, and so do you make an effort, or you just live in, I have a problem with receiving?
I've been telling all of life comes to me with ease and joy and glory.
I have said it many times, telling only doesn't help. Action is required. If somebody gives you something, do you just close it by saying, I can't receive? Or you say, what else is possible? How can I receive from him or her? What is receiving for me? Universe, show me receiving. And then when receiving comes, receive it.
Uh,
Am I making any sense? What we do is we define it. Definition, by definition, is a limitation. Once you've defined you can't do it, once you define I cannot receive, tathastu. You cannot receive. Because your point of view creates your reality. And every time I think we've all been like that because we've been taught giving is, don't never have a hand like this. They should be always like this. You should be giving always. So we've all learned not to receive. It wasn't in our dictionary, receiving. This is a problem I have seen, problem, or we say this is what we choose. We have been choosing because we didn't know anything better. But once I came to Access and I realized that I am a infinite being and I receive all energies. I can receive, I'm allowed to, I have it all there available for me. So I would not receive it for what reason? So without all of us, I assume, look, we are presumptive reality, assume that we cannot receive without reason and justification. So what receiving without reason or justification are you absolutely, totally, eternally, irrevocably, infinitely, and utterly refusing that you truly could be choosing? That if you would choose it, would change your realities and manifest as infinite abundance, infinite life, infinite generation, infinite money. And everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, backward, all 100 shots, boys, bad, basis, questions, and beyond. It is about receiving. In Access, so many times I've heard everybody say, and I've said it many times myself, that nothing is a problem, only receiving is. Money is not a problem, only we are not willing to receive it. Are you willing to have too much of money? No, उतना दे दो जितना जरूरत है. ज्यादा तो फिर गलत बात हो जाएगी. I will take somebody else's share and I will have vices. My children will have, my husband will have, there's lots of money. Are you willing to have too much money? Once you are willing to have too much of money, you become needless. If you are in need, then you hold on to whatever you've got. Once you were living your life in abundance and choosing what is light for you, money always shows up for that. You will always have the money. You start hoarding because you have a point of view that money will not come. So, are you willing to open your receiving starting today? If you did not have money to worry about, what would you worry about? If money wasn't the issue, what would you choose? Are you willing to have more than you can spend?
Yes.
And not have enough at the same time. That's why Gary gives a declaring what energy, space, consciousness can I be to never have enough and always plenty to spend? More than you can spend. It will change your reality. Would you ever then think about money? No, it's always there. What if you are willing to receive money as an orgasm and your life as an orgasm? What if you received everything the universe offered? How often do you say, oh, कितनी बारिश हो गई है, oh, अभी कितनी गर्मी हो गई है, अभी तो बहुत ठंड है, oh my God, I don't like it. Are you willing to receive everything with open arms, with what's great about it, what's right about it, what's abundant about it, what's fun about it, what's the gift in it? Are you unwilling to receive judgment? Are you willing to receive judgment? For every judgment someone has of you, you make $5,000. Still unwilling to receive judgment? Come on, judge me. How does that happen? It is possible at times we are not choosing something and it's our knowing and not an inability. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So we were talking about the judgment. When somebody judges you, when people judge you, whatever they judge you for, it's put hard evidence out into the world that it is what it is. She is rich. See, that hard evidence is now in the universe. Universe has to provide that to you. But the moment you retaliate or reject or have judgment of that to them, it's gone. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. Oh my God, she has so many friends. Oh my God, she is so lazy and yet has money. Now, that is the evidence which is there in the universe for the universe to provide you. Keep giving you more money and you be lazy. So please, please invite judgment. Let people do whatever they and laugh it out or say, how interesting is that? So you want them to judge you. You want them to judge that you have too much of money. If you were truly to receive everything in the world, then you would have the hard time living this normal life. Come on, you're not normal. Don't try to fit into this reality. Yet you keep troubling yourself. "Oh, why did I do this? I shouldn't have done it because nobody does this." How awesome is that? Nobody does and you can. You choose to do it. Everywhere being normal is more valuable to you than being the phenomenons of you, than being who you truly be, than being the magical being that you truly are. Would you be willing to let that go, please?
Yes.
For eternity. Never to choose it again. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVAD, basis, questions, and beyond. So everywhere you have not been willing to receive, even applause, even somebody saying you look good. Everywhere you have not been willing to receive the acknowledgement of the gift that you are. For the same reason, because you don't want to show up. There are so many people here who don't want to show up their faces. And yet they want the universe to see them and give them what they want. Universe doesn't see you. Universe will give to whoever they can see. You don't think you have any value. You don't think you are good enough. That's why you hide yourself under your names. You are using your judgment to determine what you deserve. Whereas you are an infinite being, you deserve everything. You cannot be selective, guys. You cannot say, I will receive this and I will not receive that. You cannot be selective when you are receiving. When you shut out one thing, you shut it all out. Good, bad, and the ugly. When you build walls against you, can anything else penetrate? You can't say, Acha, ye aa jaye, ye nahi aaye. You have closed doors. Nothing can come in. No good, no bad, no ugly. But if you have your doors open, then everything is available. Receiving doesn't come with conditions, girl. Boys. Receiving is receiving all. Any condition placed, you eliminate all receiving. Okay, I have a question for you. Who all feel uncomfortable receiving? Anything. Receiving the rain, receiving the sun, receiving gifts, receiving you, receiving. Is anybody there or I'm just speaking to the wall?
No,
Yeah.
I'm listening, of course.
So does receiving make you uncomfortable? Truth.
No.
Yeah.
Earlier I used to, not now.
Yeah. If it doesn't, it's such a joy to receive. And you will hold on to not receiving for just because this world is saying it. Get honest with yourself, guys. It almost felt disgusting to me in the beginning, before access. I would have so many, oh, they think I don't have it, that's why they're giving me. Oh, I will have to return it. Oh, I mean, I had so many justifications and reasons for not receiving. I'm so grateful it has been changing. Has it changed fully? Probably not. But I recognize this had to be changed and kept asking for it and kept choosing it. Receiving has no thought, feeling, emotion attached to it. It's not logical, nor is it controllable. There's a whole world of abundance that you have, or you're not willing to see, that's hidden for you because you're the one who hid it. Hi, Param. It is there to explore.
Hello.
How many of us explore or choose it? Open your awareness, guys. Wake up to possibilities. There's abundance everywhere. Nature doesn't stop. Why would we? We receive just a fraction of it. So anything comes up, what makes you not receive? Let's hear it, please.
There are so many big fives attached to receiving. That was what I was getting in the beginning when you asked what is receiving. So we have a lot of presumptive realities and the need, nahi chahiye, mat do, So how many big fives we have locked in our body about receiving?
Yeah. And if you become aware of it, that's the first thing that you can change it.
Yes.
So what have you always known but pretended not to know? Because you wanted to fit in. You wanted to belong. And everything that is, did you still belong? No. Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shorts, boys, Bavad, basis, equations, and beyond.
Also, the good girl syndrome prevents us from receiving. That is my interesting point of view.
Yeah, no, that is. I had no idea. I still sometimes have no idea what is receiving. But it's so light and it's such a great idea. My body tells me, go, do it, have it. Babies receive. And then what age do we shut up? Shut it off? We keep growing and we keep shutting it off. It's just not done. Or even encouraged by this reality. Receiving is easy, guys. It's just being in allowance of what is. How many of us we think that life has to be tough, difficult? It's not easy. How many times have we learned and have heard people say, बैठे बैठे कुछ नहीं मिलना, करना पड़ेगा कुछ, पढ़ लो नहीं तो चने बेचोगे. That you have to work hard for something. You can't get it easy, which is such a big lie. There are so many people who are living off other people or of inheritance of. I'm not saying you do that. I'm just saying recognize the lie there.
And their energy makes others work.
Exactly. भागवान के द्वार पे खड़े रहे गुणवान. Everybody in nature is willing to receive. They receive anything and everything. Why, what made me not receive was that strong, independent kind that I had defined myself as. The attitude that I had, that was coming out of every pore of mine. I was the kind who needed to do it all by myself to prove I need nobody. That's still there sometimes, most of the time, even though I'm aware of it. It's so automatic for me.
Not receiving is also separation, isn't it?
It
Like when we
is.
do not consider ourselves the part of this whole commune, we are like, नहीं नहीं मैं खुद कर लूंगी, मैं खुद कर लूंगा. Yeah.
Exactly. Not the oneness, separation. Hi, Malvika. Lovely to have you here. And it's so much easier to give to one person, not and so difficult to give to the other. It's not nothing to do with you. It's to do with those people who are willing to receive and willing not to receive. How often have you proven that you don't need it? Everything that it, would you be willing to destroy and unget it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, voice, Bavad, basic questions, and beyond. If you are proving to be independent, you are, like Angela says, separation, you are as an island. सच्चाई यही है कि आप as being an infinite being, you do not require or need anybody. But what fun it is to receive from everything and everyone. So everywhere we have created autonomy with money that keeps us from receiving with ease. Would you be willing to destroy and unget it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, boys, provide basic questions and beyond. Yes, Angela.
So just now had an awareness that when Gary says that as an infinite being, we do not need anything or anybody, isn't that a twisted statement for that? We are already oneness. We already have everything, everybody. So we do not need. It is already there.
Yeah. Like we said, when you need something, it goes away from you. You are needless because you are an infinite being. Everything is available to you. It's there. It's your this mind that tells you, this reality that tells you, ये उसका है, ये इसका है, ये ऐसा है. You don't owe anything. In the How to Become Money workbook, the last paragraph is you don't owe anything to anybody. It's done here and finished. If I had the book, I would read it out to you. The last paragraph in How to Become Money. It says you don't need to owe anything to anybody. You do not need, you do not owe anything to anybody.
And at times, Kamal, it is about our past experiences which stops us from receiving.
Exactly, because we give them more importance. We give experiences. That's why we say, please. Oh my God, where is it gone? That's why we say that please do not depend on experiences.
Yeah.
You're an infinite being. You choose greater every moment, different every moment. Why would you choose something which from experience? Then you have the same loop, you live the same life. You cannot change it. But you have a choice to change it every moment. Now, where is that?
Can I share one example if it is contributing? Like,
Please, I don't think I
I
can
have two
find it.
sons.
If I find it, I'll write it in the group. Yes.
Yeah, so I have two sons, and अभी अभी मैं सोच रही थी उनकी receiving इतनी different है. Like my brother was asking both of them, उनका birthday एक week के अंदर अंदर आता है, so he asked both of them क्या चाहिए. My elder one would say he's so hesitant to receive. He'll say कुछ नहीं मामा, मेरे फोन का ना चार्जर खराब हो गया है. You know, उसकी आस कितनी होती है. And छोटा वाला is बिंदास. उससे पूछो क्या चाहिए, इसे थार ले दो, बाकी तो है सब कुछ. So it's like,
Yeah.
so that is a difference, like,
Yeah. He's willing to receive.
yeah, he's willing to receive everything, every judgment, everything.
Yeah. And thank you for saying that. With me also is the same. I think, do we tell this reality tells the elder one that you have to give because this younger one is small?
Maybe कभी बचपन में ऐसा तो नहीं है give, but yeah,
No,
it's
I
like तुम
remember,
पढ़ने
I
दो.
remember I think he was just 1 year old. I was aware of it also, but I used to still say, तुम बड़े हो.
हाँ, ये तो हम बोलते थे ना, तुम समझ जाओ.
Ah,
Even with toys we used to.
yeah,
It is like the conditioning of this reality कि तुम.
exactly. We need to change that.
Yes, and what will it take? Yes. Thank you for that.
Because you are in charge. Nothing else, nobody else. You are the creator. You are the creator source of your reality.
Look, very nice, Angela. What example she gave her? मैंने बाहर खोले में ठहरो एक सेकंड में बात नहीं है. अच्छा, you know this every day Lali says कि मैंने गाड़ी लेने जाना है. I say, is it a toy? And he sees all the fancy cars. And we
Yeah,
have,
he knows he can have it. He knows it's there, available.
yeah, and we
You are
have,
the one who has all the hold on the money, and you will not choose it for what reason?
yeah. And then you know what I'm saying? I said, is it a toy? You just go and see all that. I said, I've been to and driver से सर तो बहुत उसमें जाती है शोरूम में रोज और ये भी उनको सब गाड़ी पसंद है मतलब गाड़ी की कोई जरूरत नहीं है but he just fine.
Yeah. You are intrinsic to all as part of oneness and consciousness. You get to choose. You get to direct the flow. You get to determine how your life looks, how you show up.
Thank you for sharing, Angela.
You want to go out? My dog wants to go out and doing.
वो इतनी जोर से आ रहा था ना एग्जाम्पल, मैंने बहुत होल्ड. आई वाज लाइक नहीं, आई हैव टू स्पीक अप.
Nice.
बाहर भी नहीं जाना और चू चू भी कर जाना. He doesn't want to go out, it's cold. But I can see little sun coming. How does he get any better than this? So ask yourself, how good am I at receiving? And then pock and pod everywhere you have a point of view. I can receive from this one and I can't receive from that one. Who am I willing to receive from? I'm willing to receive from everyone and everything. Everything doesn't allow that, destroy and uncreate it all. And what are you willing to receive? Everywhere I've defined what I'm willing to receive, destroy and uncreate that too. And there's something you're willing to receive with ease, and there's something you're willing to receive but with difficulty. Pock and pot that too. And what am I willing to receive with greater ease? Universe, show me. Just become aware of them. I'm becoming more and more aware of it. And please start to receive from nature. That is easy way of receiving. Learning to receive. We have created these belief system, these morals, but we are aware. If I'm kind and aware, if I'm kind to myself, what else would I choose? What else would I create? What else would I receive? Have total awareness. Hi, Neera.
हाय आज इंस्टा नहीं था इंस्टा लाइव नहीं किया
Oh my God, I forgot. Nobody reminded me also. I don't think, is it possible now to do it?
of
I
course
think
it's possible any time I mean if
no, but
someone
half of it, I don't know. I think we can post this. Can we post
ठीक है
it? I don't know if
I
it's
don't know
possible to post.
anyways yeah कोई बात नहीं I came on Insta twice फिर मैंने
Oh,
कहा नहीं
then oh my God, I wish you told me and then I would have done. Actually, I got both my phones fully charged for that.
okay no worries
But
मैं
I
next
just
time बता
forgot.
दूंगी
Yeah,
बता दूंगी
What's right about it?
it's still on chargers. We are
yes
still on
yes
chargers.
yes
What's
yes
right about it, Kamal?
That's right.
yes so hi Angela
Hi, good morning.
good morning
What is energy? I wanted to see Manira.
Hi. Then मैं डालती हूँ उसमें oh I didn't see anybody I just put it on वो क्या बोलते हैं I didn't put it on that where I could see a gallery view. Hi everybody.
So,
Hi.
yeah, hi.
Yeah.
So, total receiving is also instant healing and infinite possibilities. And everywhere we are not willing to receive in totality. That needs lowering your barriers too. You can't have your barriers and receive fully. You can't have your judgments and receive fully. Am I making any sense?
Yeah, totally. And also for me, I get that when you are in present moment, in here and now, then you receive fully. But when you are like half part in past or future, then you cut off your receiving.
That too, yes. You're living in the experiences from the past. This is how this one will behave. This you've already defined it, and definition cannot allow you to go beyond it. If you become more present and aware, it will change your reality. You are in this contextual reality only when you are living in the past and in the future. But if you are living from question, choice, possibility, contribution, and that's awareness, what else could be possible?
We so beautifully tell ourselves every day, today is a new day. And still we operate from the past references and this contextual reality. I mean, like, uh, when we talk about access, it has so simplified everything so much so that I connect the whatever Gary and Dane say and whatever our ancestors used to say. It is so relevant. However, access has made it so very simplified. तो कनेक्ट करने से और भी मजा आता है कि अरे वाह इसका तो ये मतलब है.
Exactly. There was one call, there was one mail yesterday from Sarah. She was also talking about the same. I'm sure everybody must have got that mail. I can't find it. Anyway. And when you live in the non-contextual reality, universe is available to you. What's all big five? This was a question that even Revati asked in the morning. Okay, let's do the next Sunday topic, big five. Though I have done it many times. If you go to, I've at least 2-3 times. If you go to YouTube, Kamal Basur, the link is there always there in the forward that I send. The information of this call that I send, there's a YouTube link is there. Please check because we've done this, but we will do it again. Receiving also we've done many times. You can listen to the receiving also. So please, you can choose to do that. Is everybody okay with Big Five next Sunday?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right, cool. So when you're functioning from non-contextual reality, you're functioning from question, choice, possibility, and contribution, and the whole universe gets available to you. Sorry. And you
So
can,
that,
sorry, go
also,
for it.
so for that, Kamal, consciously we have to be present with ourselves, all the
That is
time.
the that is the
That is
first
the
and
main
foremost thing,
foremost.
to
Yes,
live in the now.
yes,
And that is, you get your bars run. Because you
yes. So,
cannot be in the now if you're not getting your bars run. You have so much of kachara here that it will not allow you to be in the present.
yes, yes, that's correct,
Yeah.
Thoughts to race होते हैं इधर उधर. How many times I have to pull myself consciously in the present? My thoughts normally run. I mean, मैंने notice किया future में कम, past में ज़्यादा.
Yeah.
My Bombay life when I was young, so then I just pull myself back as I'm living in Gurgaon now, not in Bombay. So
Yeah.
you have to consciously really be present with yourself
Exactly.
wherever you are.
And all the thoughts that are coming in your head, or all the judgment that you think people are judging you for, please remember, guys, people in the world don't judge others. They are going into the judgment of themselves. When you say, I don't know why people judge me, it's because you are judging yourself. That is what is getting projected out. People are not judging you, they are actually judging themselves. What
Who
are
has
the
the
eyes
time?
seeing? Sorry?
I said, who has the time to look at you and judge you? They
Exactly.
are so engrossed in themselves. Everybody is actually.
Yeah. What are they? Haven't we heard everything looks pale to a jaundiced eye? What are their eyes seeing? Just think about that. All that judgment is coming from what they have learnt, bought, and decided should be. It's got nothing to do with you. People always only accuse others of what they themselves are doing. Please become aware of that, and you can be totally free.
Well, even Dane says, repeatedly, and a lot of other access people, they keep on reminding us that judgment actually is doing black magic on ourselves.
Exactly.
Every judgment we pass on ourselves turns into black magic. और हमको लगता है कोई देखो हमारे लिए का ये कर गया है black magic. कोई नहीं कर रहा, तुम ही कर रहे हो.
Exactly. And we've also heard that you can't judge anything you have not done or been.
Yeah, exactly. So true. That is like a great revelation. And that changed my life about judgment. It's not that I still don't judge, but the thing that हम black magic अपने पे ही कर रहे हैं.
Exactly. Like you said, be present. If you're perceiving, knowing, if you are a perceiving, knowing being, receiving, infinite being, you really will never get punched or twisted if you're willing to be present and perceive, know, be, and receive. Don't ever forget you are an infinite being. You always have a choice, and you are capable to function from perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving. Ask, hey, where am I functioning from? You have defined, most of us have defined how we will receive. and what we will receive, and who will we receive it from, and what we will not receive, or whom we will receive and whom we will not receive. All those definitions all are creating your reality. Are you willing to give that up now, please? Too much work, right? I'm willing to receive everything, period. Please don't forget who you truly be. You are an infinite being in every now moment. You cannot be anything else unless you choose to be. There's always another possibility. There's always another way of doing things. Try it. If it works for you, if it doesn't work for you, give it up. If you choose to function from question, choice, possibility, and contribution, and you can have ease, joy, glory. You don't know, but we like pain, suffering, and gory. There is nothing else to get. You are great, amazing the way you are. You are capable and have all the abilities to choose what could make your life amazing and beautiful. You would not choose it for what reason? Nothing is greater than the other. If you're willing to have it all, be all, have all, create all, you just choosing to be you, you could receive everything. What being you means is relaxing into ease, joy, glory. No point of view. Bye-bye to limitations. Are you willing? Who all are willing? All decisions, all definitions, all that you have defined, decided. Has it worked? You just limited your receiving. Choosing access opened doors to different possibilities for me. You know, receiving is different for each one of us. What receiving is for me may not be for you. If you could receive and have everything in the world, what would that look like? How big and small is your ask, like Angela just shared about her son? According to what you have decided you can and cannot receive. That is how small and big is your receiving. If you just asked, just because you can ask, for no other reason, if there was no reason and justification, if it was really true for you to ask and you shall receive, that phrase, even if you function from curiosity now, even if you don't believe it and say, oh my God, everybody's saying it, it's in the Bible, let me just try it. Honestly, how far beyond will you allow yourself to ask? How big is your ask at the moment? Could you just go a little bit, maybe 10% more than what you asked before, and then go again a few percentage more? Where would you reach? Like I remember one of the clearings in the beginning only, Dane was doing a energy pull and he kept saying, put this in it, put this in it, put this, and my voice, haven't I put enough? And he kept saying, just go on putting. There is no limit in the universe. Universe can give, there's abundance there. Just keep putting. It was difficult for me to just keep putting in because I was only used to asking for small. Not that my ask has gone very big, but it is much bigger than what it used to be. If you can't think of anything because you didn't before, just say, hey, what else can I put in? Or all that I haven't even mentioned, all that the universe ever wants to give it to me, all that I have always in any lifetime asked and didn't, or all that I have a point of view that I can't receive. Put that also in it. Go, what do you say, extravagant. Universe is extravagant. It didn't stop with making one red rose, one red flower, or one red thing. There are million and uncountable red flowers. What stops you from creating and having more? Make your way, ask way, way bigger than you ever imagined. Expand, keep expanding yourself. Ask way beyond I can fathom. Or if there was no limit universe, what else would I put it in my energy ball? Be vulnerable. How vulnerable are you willing to be here this moment? Oh, I can't ask for this. Oh my God, it'll be bad. Oh my God. Nothing. Break all those limitations. What else can I put it in my energy ball? Universe, Universe, I'm willing to receive everything I asked, I ever or even dreamt of in any lifetime, any dimension, past, present, future. Bring it on. Are you willing to ask for that, guys?
Yes.
Would you dare to ask? Would you want to be crazy, fucking, weird, vulnerable being that you've never chosen to be before? Vulnerability is the source of total beingness, total creation, and total receiving. You're not holding back. You have no barriers. Infinite abilities to receive. Each molecule is working for you to gift you what you're asking for. You are each and every molecule. You are one with each and every molecule. Would you please acknowledge that today? Only if you acknowledge it, you can be in sync with, you can be in rhythm with the universe. Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and unkill it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis, questions, and beyond. The energy of receiving is our innate ability to dance with the universe. The planet receives from the sun, the grass receives from the rain, the babies receive nourishment from their mothers. You stop yourself from receiving for what reason? Your innate ability to receive. And that's the most we stop. Just allow the energy of receiving to flow into your life. Everything is there laid out for you to pick up. You are the one who's stopping. No, I can't, and no, I will not, or no, this one, what will that say? What will this happen? What if you never had to figure it out? It was just there and you picked it because it was light and nice. Total, received with total grace and ease. Everything, good, bad, and the ugly. But please be in question. Never leave the side of a question. When you're going into your head to figure things out, you're not in question. What would it take for you to perceive, know, be, receive what receiving actually is? And what would this receiving create? Will it be a contribution? Is it for me? Receiving is an action you take without a point of view, without a barrier. It's when you're totally being you, vulnerable, open, oneness with everything. No boundaries. You are in oneness with everything, only you create boundaries. You are the giver, you are the receiver. How many of you have heard you are the watcher, you are the हमारे ग्रंथ में भी है तुम ही मेरे को पता नहीं अब
Witness, witness.
You
तुम्ही
are-
witness. You are the
Huh?
witness.
You are the witness and you are the yeah.
A witness observer and you are the doer.
Yeah, yeah. You are everything.
You are every Krishna bhi
You
bolta
are
hai.
receiving from you, no obligation.
Yes.
You are the one who separates yourself with others. It is simple. It's beautiful. I told you to go out. You didn't want to go out that time. Now again, you're disturbing me. Just give me 1 minute, guys.
Kamal, it's already 9.
He's asking for food, I think. He is doing. I forgot. You can give him food in the morning. It's 9. See, guys, receiving, we can go on and on, but be the energy, space, and consciousness. When you be the energy, space, and consciousness, you're just imagine you are the universe and you are the earth. That you are everything, you are within everything. It's Neera is just named Neera with a different body, but there is the same essence that she has that I have. We are part of each other. There's the molecular communion that exists that includes awareness with and for and about everything.
So true, Kaval. Therefore, we can ask, I'll have that.
Yeah,
you are
let's
that.
ask for it.
Yeah, just ask for it. That's it.
That's it. You don't even have to ask. Just choose it. It's there. It's you are that. Receiving gives you total power, total choice, total awareness, total strength. Willingness to be who you truly be. What would the world be like if we all lived who we truly be? Would there be wars and conflicts and abuse and terror? That is not the energy of receiving. Receiving creates, abuse destroys. Receiving generates, wars destroy. Receiving produces communion, conflicts are form of separation. Please choose receiving. Bye, guys. The next week's topic, next Sunday topic is Big Five.
Thank you, Kamal.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Kamal. Bye.
Bye, darlings. Bye. See you. And I'm
Thank you,
sorry I
Kamal.
didn't put
Thank
it
you,
in,
Anpal.
didn't put it on Insta and on Facebook.
Ajao.
Let's see what we can do about it. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.